we've got an amazing conversation AI edit and manage prompts update. This feature is going to empower your business to tailor the bot's personality, instructions, and responses for a personalized conversational experience. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, you can now tailor the conversational experience. You can customize those prompts for each intent. It's also going to enhance communication effectiveness. Now you can add instructions or guidance within each intent, including important business information. It's also going to give you dynamic context support. Now you can utilize custom values and field support to incorporate dynamic context into your conversations. As far as that practical use, now you can really dive in and customize that bot prompt for appointment scheduling, tailoring the bot's responses to match your brand's tone, including specific details within the conversation to provide a more personalized experience for your clients, prospects, and your leads. Let me show you exactly where to find this. First, you're going to access settings, which is in the lower left-hand navigation of your menu. Now we're going to go into Conversation AI within that settings menu. Once we're there, we're going to want to make sure that we click on Configure Intent, and now we're going to go ahead and click Edit Prompt. Now, this is what it's going to look like in the area where you configure the bot. You're going to go and dive into these areas, get really detailed. From an AI perspective, the more detail you give AI, the better its response is going to be. So go ahead and use details. Add the additional things, the tone that you want to use. Now you can also go ahead and add those custom values. So to add the custom values, you're going to click on plus add custom value. And you're going to go ahead and customize that based on what you have within your system so that it perfectly matches what you need to convey. Now, if you ever need to reset settings or use a template, you can go ahead and reset to default, or you can go ahead and click into those templates. Now, if you would like to edit that prompt that you've already created for that appointment booking, you're going to go ahead and reset to default or utilize the templates, and then you're going to go back in and start your customization or add a template. You're also going to be able to add a conversation flow. So under conversation flow, you want to go ahead and click the plus add. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and specifically set that specific calendar, you're going to go under appointment booking and you're going to pick a calendar, or you're going to send the booking link. Elevate communication efficiency and personalization within the CRM with the ability to really dive in and customize those bot prompts, empowering your business to create engaging and relevant conversation experiences for your clients, your customers, your leads, and of course, your prospects. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.